Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Today I'm going to give you a couple moments to brainstorm some words that would belong in the ACK word family. Remember, these are words that are going to have the same similar spelling pattern at the end, so the A-C-K, ACK, and they'll rhyme. So go ahead and pause the video and see how many words you can think of. All right, how did it go? I thought of rack, tack. Did you think of any other ones? Let's move on to beginning sounds. I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to say it together, really putting an emphasis on that beginning ah sound. Antler, antler. After, after. Absent, absent. Good. I'm going to say a few more words, but I'm going to throw in some that don't begin with the ah sound. So if you hear some that all of a sudden don't begin with an ah sound, I want you to give me a thumbs down real quick. Here we go. Animal, animal. Admit, admit. See. Good job. Did you catch that one? Answer, answer. Did. Good job. Apple, apple. Can. Good. Did you catch that one too? Last one. And. Good. Get your choppers ready. We're going to chop and blend some words. So we'll have the beginning sound and the rhyme. So we've been doing a lot of, a lot of vowel team sounds. So here we go. B, oo. Boo. R, o. Row. D, a. Day. T, oo. Two. K, e. Key. S, a. Say. M, oo. Moo. S, o. So. All right, let's get ready to roller coaster some words. The first one is pat. Pat. The next one is rap. Rap. Sag. Sag. Van. Van. Bat. Bat. Gap. Gap. Rat. Rat. Jam. Jam. Ran. Ran. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some words, and I'm going to say the word, then you're going to repeat it, and then you will chop the beginning sound and the second sound. So first sound, second sound. Here we go. See. S-E. My. M-I. Toe. T-O. Lay. L-A. Me. M-E. Pay. P-A. Dough. D-O. Way. W-A. Good job. Get your fists ready. We're going to do some phoneme substitution. So the first word is do. Change D to y, you. The next word is may. Change to w, way. The word is me. Change to k, key. The word is to. Change to g, goo. The word is so. Change to toe. Last one. The word is row. Change r to mo. All right. Okay, now we're going to add some beginning sounds. So we'll start with our ending sound and we'll add a second one to make a word. The sound is E. Add h to the beginning. He. The sound is A. Add l to the beginning. Lay. The sound is oo. Add t to the beginning. To. The sound is I. Add p to the beginning. Pie. The sound is O. Add l to the beginning. Low. Good. Now our last exercise, we're going to delete phonemes or remove phonemes. The word is ram. Without r, the word is am. The word is cinch. Without s, the word is inch. The word is neat. Without n, the word is eat. The word is sore. Without s, the word is or. The word is deer. Without d, the word is ear. The word is by. Without b, the word is I. The word is name. Without n, the word is aim. The word is tin. Without t, the word is in. The word is lend. Without l, the word is end. Nice job today. Don't forget to practice your poem and your Elkonin boxes exercise.